Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Control Center. This is where you add or remove tiles. Make sure your device is running iOS 18 and that low power mode appears in the list of available controls. If you don't see it, toggle low power mode on once in battery settings so it registers. Once done, tap the green plus next to low power mode in available controls to move it into included controls and prepare to position it where you want in the control center layout. Now you position the low power mode tile within included controls by dragging it to the spot you use most. Placement matters because it affects speed of access. If you use reachability or a two-column layout on larger devices, place the tile in an easy-to-reach column. Once positioned, lock your changes and pull down Control Center to confirm visual placement and tap to test. If it feels awkward, return and drag it again until it's in a comfortable, consistent spot for one-handed use. Finally, test the new Control Center tile by swiping to open it and tapping low power mode. You should see battery percentage and performance adjustments immediately. If the tile is missing or unresponsive, restart your iPhone first because that forces a UI refresh. If issues persist, remove and re-add the tile or reset Control Center layout in settings to restore defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure low power mode isn't blocked by a profile or managed device policy that prevents adding the control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.